Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are on a Mac computer, an Intel-based Mac, there are two security updates that are very important that have been released. The security updates have to do with 0 days that are exploited in the wild. They affect the macOS Sequoia, and it updates to the latest version, which ups you to 15.1.1. So the security flaws, of course, are exploited in the wild. It is known that there are some threat actors out there that are already using it to try to exploit the Macs. And also, if you are using iPhone, an iPad, there are updates also for the same system that are for iPhones and iPads. The difference is that the security updates there are also exist also, but they're not exploited on what seems to be iPads or iPhones yet. It really is right now dealing with Intel Macs mostly. So if you have a Mac computer, if you have an iPhone, if you have an iPad, make sure that you update all of these devices to stay safe, because there's definitely something happening, and it's very important that the 0 days particularly are fixed so that you don't get any bad surprises. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.